For the Level 2 certificate in Gym Instructing, learners can attend between 2 and 4 workshop days. The 2 workshop day option requires attendance on the 3rd and 4th workshop days. This is to ensure that all assessments can be completed. If you choose to attend additional workshop days, these days would be 100% learning days where you would review your understanding and practice the application under the guide of an experienced tutor. Whether you choose to attend 2, 3, or 4 workshop days in order to achieve your Level 2 certificate in Gym Instructing, these dates do not have to be attended as part of the same cohort. For example, those learners wishing to attend all 4 workshop days in quick succession could attend the full 4 days of a specific cohort. Another learner may wish to space their learning out or be unable to attend a given date, therefore they could spread their attendance between 2, 3 or more cohorts. We would advise learners to leave themselves sufficient time in order to complete suitable learning before attending workshop days. This helps learners maximize the learning benefit and chances of a successful assessment. Your tutor would advise you how best to do this. If you are unsure which option is best for you, call us on 01924470477 and we can discuss your options with you. If you opt to attend 2 workshop days but then prefer to attend all 4 or even switch to 100% online learning, this is not a problem. Simply contact your tutor and we will arrange the rest. Prior, during and after the Level 2 Gym Instructor course, you will be supported by a highly qualified and experienced tutor. As a minimum, all learners are supported via mandatory one-on-one live webinar with your tutor on a monthly basis. During these visits, learning activities are reviewed and new ones agreed with suitable support provided. As all learners have their own circumstances, additional webinar, phone, and email support is provided to learners when necessary. The Level 2 certificate in Gym Instructing workshop is delivered over 4 days. The workshops are delivered both on a weekday and weekend and are structured so you can attend all 4 days within a 4-week period or mix and match your workshop dates over a 6-month period, depending on your personal situation and preferred time frame. Prior to attending your Level 2 Gym Instructor workshop, we would recommend that you complete online learning to achieve the more theoretical units and content of the course. Typically, you will have submitted and passed all your assessments for Unit 1 Anatomy and Physiology, Unit 2 Professionalism and Customer Care for Fitness Instructors, Unit 3 Health and Safety in the Fitness Environment, as well as submitted and passed your Unit 4, Conducting Client Consultations to Support Positive Behavior Change, which requires the submission of a video assessment of you completing a consultation with your client. By completing these units prior to your workshop attendance, you will have completed a majority of the theoretical content of your Level 2 Gym Instructor qualification and attained 4 out of 5 of your units. When you attend the Level 2 Gym Instructor workshop, the days predominantly focus on the practical aspects of your qualification, as well as providing opportunities to embed some of the theoretical content that you have previously learnt. Workshop Day 1. On Day 1 you will learn how to assess your client's fitness levels, understand their goals and be able to competently prescribe correct cardiovascular exercises and intensities to suit their needs. You will learn how to plan, prescribe, and deliver cardiovascular sessions including warm-ups, main sessions, and cool-downs, covering how to introduce and instruct correct technique as well as how to monitor intensity effectively. In addition, you will also learn how to apply a variety of stretching techniques including dynamic, static, and developmental stretching. Towards the end of Day 1, we will start to explore the benefits and theory of resistance training. This includes topics such as understanding the importance of exercise choices, exercise sequence, and the prescription of representatives and sets, as well as other key topics such as progression and overload, to ensure you can competently prescribe resistance training to your clients. Workshop Day 2. Day 2 of your Level 2 Gym Instructor course contains the completion of a series of practical sessions. You will learn how to perform, instruct, and correct all major exercise techniques, such as squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses, as well as be able to prescribe suitable alternatives, progressions, and regressions, to ensure you can support all types of clients. You will learn the principles of safe and effective lifting techniques and spotting, allowing you to perform the techniques and support a variety of clients in the gym. Workshop Day 3. On Day 3 of the Level 2 Gym Instructor Workshop, we will cover the principles of group instruction. This is a key role of a gym instructor and ensures you are competent in the delivery of exercise both one-to-one and to a small group. Following this learning, you will be assessed delivering a group induction on your peers, which fulfills your assessment for Step 1 of your Unit 5 Planning and Instructing Gym-Based Exercise Unit. Finally, at the end of Day 3, you will have an opportunity to practice your one-on-one program delivery on your peers while under assessor guidance, to help you prepare for your final assessment on Day 4. Workshop Day 4. On Day 4 you will deliver your one-on-one program on a client of your choice. A client can include either a friend or a family member who will be required to attend the final assessment day for a period of 2 hours. This assessment will help you fulfill your assessment for Step 3 of your Unit 5 Planning and Instructing Gym-Based Exercise Unit. By following the curriculum and learning pathway set out by CMS, you should have completed all assessments for all 5 units of your Level 2 Gym Instructor qualification by the end of the final workshop day. Post-workshop days. After attending the workshop days, your CMS tutor will support you in the completion of any outstanding assessments. The career options available following the completion of your Level 2 certificate in gym instructing don't just stop there. With CMS there are options to progress onto other Level 3 and higher qualifications such as the Level 3 Diploma in Personal Training, Level 3 Diploma in Sports Massage, the Level 3 Diploma in Long-Term Conditions, and eventually become a Level 4 specialist in either lower back pain management or obesity and diabetes. Whichever pathway you choose, CMS will provide unbiased support and guidance to ensure you make the right steps towards your career in health and fitness and provide you with the most up-to-date scientifically proven health and fitness qualifications that are internationally recognized.